Hello viewers, welcome to your channel JD Ki Pathshala. Have you ever wondered why one of your colleagues gets more loan offers, more credit card offers, more credit card limit increase offers and you don't get? Well, the reason could be the credit utilization ratio of yours and your colleagues. So you are wondering what is credit utilization ratio and what has it got to do with my loan offers, credit card offers? Well, without wasting time, let's dwell into the topic today. The first thing is, let's see what is credit utilization ratio. By definition, the credit utilization ratio is the percentage of the credit that is being utilized from a borrower's total available revolving credit. It can impact your CIBIL score. It is also used to decide the credit worthiness of the borrower. A high CUR can result in a poor credit score. So, can we calculate the CUR? Yes, you can calculate the CUR. Let's see how to calculate it. As we saw by the definition, the credit utilization ratio is equal to the total outstanding on your card divided by the total available credit multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. Let's see it with an example. Let's take you have two cards, card A and card B, with both having the total credit limit of rupees 2 lakh each. Now, let's take person A having card A utilizes the total credit of rupees 1 lakh, that is his total outstanding. So his credit utilization ratio would work out to rupees to 50%. Let's take I'm using card B and I only have rupees 20,000 outstanding against my card. So my total credit utilization ratio would be just 10%. Then you will come to a question that what is a good CUR? It is recommended to always have a low CUR. Like in previous example, we saw person A, card A had 50% and card B had 10%. However, a higher CUR is an indicator that the borrower is overspending and having trouble with managing his finances. It is always seen that many of the youngsters today have the credit utilization to the brim. That is, if 2 lakh is the credit limit, they spend everything. So obviously their credit utilization ratio would be 100%. An ideal CUR is equal to or lower than 30% of the total available credit limit. Now, can we improve it? Can we reduce the CUR? Yes, you can. Now, going back to the first example, where card A had 50% CUR, which was very high, and card B, which had 10% CUR, which is very good. Now, if someone was to combine these two cards, that is, person had these two cards with the same limit, the total outstanding would come down to rupees 1,20,000 against the credit limit of 4 lakh. So, his credit utilization ratio comes to 30%, which is ideal CUR as we had seen earlier. Now, can I further improve? Yes, you can further improve it by adding one more card. So, going back to the previous example where we had card A and card B and their combined indemnity we gave 30% CUR. Let us add a card C with the same limit of 2 lakh. But why not spend more? We are having more credit limit. So I spend here 30,000 rupees. So my total outstanding as on date comes to 1,50,000. But it is against the CUR, against the total credit limit of 6 lakhs. Now that makes the CUR of 25%, which is good and well below the limit. Now, some things you must remember to improve your CUR or credit worthiness. Firstly, aim for a low CUR. Always monitor your CUR. Don't close old credit accounts. They can come handy as they have certain limit on them. You may not be utilizing them for whatsoever reason you have. Always pay your credit card bills on time. That improves your credit worthiness, reduces the total outstanding at any point of time. Next, don't rotate credit. As I said, you can have multiple credit cards to improve CUR, but that could be a debt trap if you tend to rotate the credit, taking from one card, paying on other card bills, and this goes on, then you are in for a trouble. Also consider multiple credit cards, but remember to spend that much only which you can pay back. Otherwise, you could get into a debt trap. So, this was all for credit utilization ratio. Happy to know that your response has been encouraging for our videos. In case you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like and share. Till next time, see you. Bye.